Welcome to Tid Bit Vids.
Hello, Tidbits. I met a whale a short while ago, and he gave me all of these eggs to take back to my boat. I can't wait to see what's inside all of these. But first, I have to get my boat ready. Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm about to unload the eggs, so let's see what's inside. First, I think we'll open up all the pink eggs. Oh my goodness, it's a bunny! A squishy bunny. Let's set this bunny up here. A unicorn! Let's set this unicorn right here. Another unicorn! Let's set this unicorn down with his friend. A seal! Let's put this seal down on the hammock. A sleepy cat. Let's lay this cat down on the sand. Now let's open up the yellow eggs. Is this a little koala? Aww, look at how cute he is. Let's lay this koala down inside the boat on the bunks. It's another sleepy cat. But this time it's a pink sleepy cat. Let's put this sleepy cat down on the beach too. shark. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Well, let's keep this little baby shark here in the water. It's another unicorn! But this time it's a pink unicorn. Whee! Let's put this pink unicorn on the deck with her friends. Let's open up the blue eggs. It's another lazy seal. Look at the seal. He's all flattened out. He looks like he could use a nap. Let's lay the seal down beside the koala, inside the bunk. Nighty-night. Oh my goodness, guys! Look at this little pig! Oh my goodness! Look at how chubby he is! Let's put the pig up on the top deck where there's a barbecue going on. It's another sleepy cat. This time it's a white cat. Let's put this cat down on the beach to lay in the sun with his friends. Now, let's open up the orange eggs. Aw, look at this cute little octopus. Look how adorable he is. Do you know how many tentacles an octopus has? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octopus has 8 tentacles. Let's put this octopus down here in the water so he can swim. Another unicorn! This time it's a mint green unicorn, but his horn is a little bit crooked. Let's put this unicorn here on the dock with his other friends. A snail! Look at his little eyes and his little smile. And he's got a curly shell. I don't think this snail would like the sand. So let's put the snail up on the upper deck in the captain's chair. He looks really comfy up there. Now, let's open up all the green eggs. It's a little hoppity bunny. And look at her little tail. And her 2 long ears. Stretch, stretch. Let's put this bunny on the beach as well. this yellow bear? He looks a little tired too, but not as tired as the cats. So let's let him sit in a chair under the sun umbrella. Wow, doesn't he look comfy? A little panda bear. His little black body and little black ears and a cute little nose. Let's let the panda lay on the beach with the bunny.
Now, let's open the purple eggs.
Wow, look at this little animal.
In the comments below, let me know what's your guess as to what this animal is.
Let's put this little animal up on the top deck. Wow, this looks like another little bear. Let's let this bear lay on the beach. Hey, it's a paw print. I bet this paw print came from those sleepy cats. Let's put this paw print right behind the cats. A polar bear. Oh, look how cute he is. Look at his little tail and his little legs. He's just chillaxing. I know the perfect place for this polar bear. Let's put him in the cooler with all the ice. Wow! It's a baby elephant. Look at the baby elephant's trunk. And the baby elephant's ears. Aww, and her cheeks. Aww. Hi. Hi. Let's put the baby elephant up with the little pig so she can have some lunch. Well, Tidbits, we've opened all the eggs. And look at all these amazing squishies we found inside.
Thank you so much for helping me solve the mystery of what was inside those eggs. In the comments below, let me know which was your favorite squishy. Mine was definitely that little piglet.
Remember to share this video with someone you think would enjoy it. Thumbs up the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And remember to press that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, Tidbits. See you next time.